Hi guys, Muaz here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we are unboxing shapes. And what is this? A square. What is this? A rectangle. What is this? A diamond. What is this? A triangle. What is this? A circle. What is this? An oval. What is this? A star. What is this? An octagon. What is this? A pentagon. What is this? A heart. What is this? A semicircle. What is this? A flower. What is this? An arrow. What is this? A trapezoid. What is this? A crescent. What is this? A cross. Thank you for watching the video. Please like this video, hit the bell icon, and hit the subscribe icon. Bye.